Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go through how to use our brand new software, Echo. Okay, so first of all, what you want to do is to create a campaign. Okay, in create a campaign, you create new campaign over here. And you'll be brought to this page to select a niche. Alright, so as we are all in the Make Money Online niche, I'm going to select MMO, right, Make Money Online. Here you have the top 5 niche of the internet marketing industry all preloaded here for you. So first of all, you want to click on this MMO, Make Money Online, and you want to give it a title. So this title is going to be reflected in the last page over here. And let's just call this Work from Home Jobs. Okay, and in the description, I've already preloaded and one of the descriptions here, and I'm just going to paste it over here. Okay, so here's my description for the Make Money Online campaign. Text is MMO retargeting. Here you can put any retargeting keywords that you want to use. Here, number of products, I'll just put 4. Okay, and it's going to be reflected here 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm going to go ahead to click on next. Okay, next I'm going to give this campaign a name. Alright, so it's just going to be Work from Home campaign. Okay, and the video source is going to be YouTube. So what this software does is it allows you to go to YouTube to search for the most highly popular video and to use that video to siphon all the traffic from there into your page. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and I'm going to key in Make Money from Home here. You see that? I'm going to key that in because that's relevant to my campaign, and I'm just going to look for a video with really high views. Okay, so let me just scroll down and let's take a look at this one. 9.8 million views, 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. I'm going to click on this video. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to grab the URL of the video. Okay, and I'm literally gonna start getting in traffic from this viral video. So I'm just put the URL here. Okay, once it's done, you can see it appearing here. Alright, I'm going to click on next. And here I'm going to select a product. So we have pre-installed the Make Money Online products. Alright, in this case, we have pre-installed them. And I'm going to select the offer from ClickBank. So first one is Perpetual Income 365. I'm going to put it there. The prices are all there. And your affiliate links are all here. Okay, it's all integrated based on the integrations before over here in this tab. Alright, once this is done, I'm going to click on the second product. I'm going to select the second product from ClickBank that we have pre-installed. And it's all here with your affiliate links. I'm going to go to the third product. I'm going to click on Social Paid Jobs. This is another pre-installed product that I've selected. Okay, so you can see here it's all reflecting here. Next, I'm going to click on the last product, and this is called Work from Home Jobs, and you can see it's also reflected here. Once that's done, I'm going to click on next. Alright, now it's time to edit your player. So you see this bar over here, that's the bar of the player. So I can select the color. So maybe I want it to be a bit orangey. There you go, it changes to orange. I'll leave control bar there. Here you can select whether you want to autoplay or not. Right? Here I can choose the size of the text. Okay, you see all these texts here. I can choose the title. I can change the title size, make it smaller, make it bigger. I can choose the title color. Okay, I can choose the price. You see the prices there. Okay, I can change the prices color and the size of the price as well. The call to action button here, learn more. I can actually change the text, change the button color and all that stuff. Alright, I'm just going to leave it as default over here, and I'm just going to go on to sharing. Here I can choose to turn on all the social shares. You see that? So I'm going to click on yes for all of them. All the social shares are here. Okay, and for the brand, I can choose to put it on. I can choose to add it in. You see, once you put it on, there's going to be a logo over here, and this logo can be a logo of your choice. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to remove it. Alright, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, so this is a brand new feature that we've added in as well. So here you can actually choose to select your opt-in box, or you can choose not to have the opt-in box in, and based on your integrations of the autoresponder, you can select your list. Alright, select autoresponder. You can give the opt-in box a name. You can give it a color, put a call to action. You can also customize how many seconds do you want the opt-in box to appear, how many seconds after do you want it to disappear, and the position of the box. Okay, because I haven't integrated any GetResponse account yet, so in this demo video I'm going to leave this out, but you can actually do it and you can actually start capturing leads as well. Alright, so this is another amazing tool that we have added. I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to just preview the very simple page that I've created with this software, and I can literally use any videos from YouTube that are viral to start capturing leads or to start bringing people to affiliate links that belongs to me. Okay, so here when I click on this first icon, I can actually embed this entire video into any of my blogs. So if I've got a website, I can embed this video into my website. Alright, I can just simply copy the code and embed it in. So if I want to share the page itself, I can simply click on this icon here, and it's going to bring me to the page that I've just created. So you can see here it's all functioning. All you need to do is to click on play, and you know your viewers they will be able to see this video here that you have selected. That's the title over there. Social sharing links are on the side. Okay, and you can see every single of these products that you have selected. It's all here. So what you can do with this software is it's very simple and it's very amazing. You can select any viral video out there that's already proven to convert on YouTube, and you can literally hijack their traffic by sharing this page instead of the YouTube video to your subscribers or to your audiences, and you will be able to get traffic and get them excited over the video. At the same time, they will be able to make a selection of product that they want to purchase. So you can basically click on here, and when you click on this link here, learn more, it's going to bring you or bring your subscribers or bring your readers to this product that's on ClickBank, and this product is tagged to your affiliate link. So you're going to start generating sales with proven traffic or with proven sales pages. Okay, and another thing you can use on this software is also you can select YouTube videos that are review videos in nature. So you can select other people's review videos that they have done, and you can start siphoning off the traffic from there and pushing them to your affiliate links. Alright, so how cool is that? Okay, so here you can see that this is the description that you have typed in previously, and here there's social shares as well, and you can also type in comments, and all these comments are going to stay there. It's a way of social proof as well. Okay, so feel free to grab hold of this. And next up, if you want to start echoing your traffic and sharing it to over 60 different social platforms, you can simply go to echo your traffic. You can select the campaign that we have done. So that's going to be work from home campaign, and you can literally select from all of the social sharing sites that we have provided for you. So if you want to click on, let's say, Facebook, you just have to select Facebook, and you can start sharing this link that we have created in your Facebook profile. Okay, and that's where you can start siphoning off traffic into proven videos that other people have done for you to start making commissions, and people are going to start sharing this link or this video because it's proven to go viral, and that's where your traffic echoes on forever and ever. Okay, so that's all I have for this demo. I hope that this demo has been useful. Go ahead, if you would like to grab hold of this product, go ahead and click on any link around this page. Alright, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.